Definition of lactational amenorrhea method. The lactational amenorrhea method is a natural form of contraception that relies on the hormonal changes associated with exclusive breastfeeding to prevent pregnancy. It is based on the principle that breastfeeding suppresses ovulation due to the release of the hormone prolactin, which inhibits the reproductive hormones necessary for ovulation. How lactational amenorrhea method is being used. To effectively use the lactational amenorrhea method as a natural form of contraception, follow these steps. Number 1. Exclusively breastfeed. Feed your baby on demand, both day and night, without long gaps. Ideally, not more than 4 hours during the day and 6 hours at night. Avoid supplementing with formula, water, or solid foods. Breastfeeding must provide the baby's primary nutrition and comfort. Number 2. Ensure amenorrhea, no menstrual periods. Lactational amenorrhea method is only effective if you have not resumed menstrual bleeding. Any bleeding after the first 56 days postpartum is considered a menstrual period. Number 3. Use lactational amenorrhea method only within 6 months postpartum. The method is reliable for the first 6 months after childbirth. After this period, or when menstruation resumes, additional contraception is necessary.
Amenorrhea method was several advantage as a natural causative method, highly effective. When used correctly, exclusive breastfeeding the menstrual period and baby under 6 months, it is 98% effective. No cost. 2. Lamb is free. Lamb is free does not require educational device or clinical procedure. 3. Promoter breastfeeding. Encourage inclusive breastfeeding, which provide optimal nutrition, strength the body's immune system, and promote bonding between mother and baby. 4. Hormonal side effect. Unlike hormonal constitutive, lamb does not interfere the body natural processes or cautious. Hormonal side effect. 5. Convenient. Lamb integrate naturally with pastrum. Pastrum period and use required additional effort beyond breastfeeding. 6. Cultural acceptable. It's aligned with cultural with the region. Belief in this discourages artificial, disruptive with promote breastfeeding.
Disadvantages of lactational amenorrhea method. Number 1, limited duration. Lactational amenorrhea method is only effective for up to 6 months postpartum or until menstruation resumes, requiring switch to another contraceptive method afterward. Number 2, requires strict conditions. Its effectiveness depends on strict adherence to exclusive breastfeeding, no formula, solid foods, or long intervals between feeds. Deviation can significantly reduce its reliability. Number 3. No protection against STIs. Lactation amenorrhea methods does not protect against sexually transmitted infections, so additional protections is needed. STI risk exists. Number 4. Uncertainty about fertility return. Ovulation may resume before the first menstrual period, making it hard to predict the return of fertility and increasing the risk of unattended pregnancy. Number 5. Not sustainable for all mothers. Mothers who cannot breastfeeding exclusively who experience health issues, low milk supply, or condition requiring medications. Number 6. Challenging to maintain exclusive breastfeeding. Factors such as returning to work, stress, or fatigue can reduce breastfeeding frequency, impacting effectiveness. Number 7, no long-term solution. LAM is short-term constrictive method and women must transition to another form constriction for continued pregnancy prevention. Number 9, cultural or practical barriers. In some cultures or environments, exclusive breastfeeding may not be practical due to societal norms, lack of support, or limited maternity leave. Number 9, requires education and monitoring. Users need to be properly educated about its conditions and must carefully monitor their breastfeeding patterns and menstrual cycles to ensure effectiveness.